welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, clicking on the bell for notifications and giving this video a thumbs up. Now, are you looking for the perfect audio earbuds? I might have them here, I might not. We are going to find out in this video. Now, before we get on with the actual unboxing, just wanted to point something out. It says here, engineered by Zhulinniao, I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, exclusively branded and distributed by Birddance for the US market. And there's a lot of Chinese writing on there, but it has got it in English as well. So Chinese writing, but also in English. Maybe American English. I haven't actually read it. I'm going to give you a bit of information about them, and then can do the unboxing and see what they're like and have a good listen of the actual audio quality, and I will tell you in my own personal experience how good they are or not. So with that, let's go on with it, shall we? So these are the JingHong Z3 high fidelity audio dual dynamic drivers, and they say you should experience rich detailed sound with 4 drivers including a dual dynamic units, delivering powerful bass and clear highs for an immersive listening experience. Apparently wireless and wired, they come as wireless or wired, it's up to you, connectivity, so you can enjoy flexible usage with Bluetooth, wireless and 3.1mm wired options. We are going to be trying the actual wired options for once. Sound isolation for immersive listening. The sound isolation design blocks external noise, apparently, so they should fit your ears really comfortably, enhancing clarity and focus, perfect for music lovers who want to enjoy every detail without distractions. Customizable audio with multiple colour options, choose from black and silver finish with various plug types including type C and, like we said, 3.5mm, offering style compatibility for different devices. Compact and portable with complete accessory, comes with a carrier bag, detachable audio cables and user manual marketing, making it ideal for travel and daily use with a lightweight design. Let's do the unboxing, shall we? You wore me out. I'm looking forward to doing these because I've had a look at them actually before I decided I wanted to do this review or not, and I thought, yeah, I've not tried these ones before, and I thought, yeah, they're a little bit different from the norm, from, you know, just the wireless earbuds, because obviously you got the option, and I thought, yeah, it might suit a load of you as well. What's that say? Birddance. Is that going to come out? Is it going to come out? Yep, we're there. Yep, we're open. That'd be the, oh, look at that. See what I mean? Right, left. So that'd be the instructions, I'm guessing. Yep. We'll have a look at that a bit later. Now that looks really nice. I do like the gold on black, and I do like the way they've done that in the love heart. It's very good. I'm quite impressed so far. I know it's just a packaging, but packaging can make all the difference sometimes. Yeah, look at these little babies. Get these out. Nice long cable. Come on, come on. I'm trying to get them out carefully. I don't want to break the things. That'd be the last thing I want to do. Now, it does look like quality. Nice bit of cabling. Nice bit of Velcro to hold it all together. Let's get this off. Oh, it's all in bits. Oh, there you go. That stays on. Okay. Jack plug connection's got a little plastic cap on it to keep it clean. So gold connection, very nice. It's got 2 joins there. Sometimes you might get 3 and sometimes you get 2. Normally when you get 3 joins, it's for the microphone. So I'm not sure how that one works, but there you go. What's this? Just a little holder, yep. just to change the different cabling. So you've got twisted cable there, and then you've got straight cable there. We'll try them on in a second, see what else is in here. Oh yeah, your little bag. Get that quality issue thing. And that is nice as well. Just having that little sticker on there looks nice. So, oh yeah, that's nice and chunky. Look at that. I like that. And voila, we have in here, I'm guessing some sort of ear pads, maybe. I don't know. Not sure what they're for. I don't think they go on there somehow. Or yeah, they might do actually. Like that, you know, maybe. We'll find out later. And what do we have in here? Oh, this feels interesting. Oh, it's a kit. It's a whole kit. Look at that. All different colours as well. So we have a greenie, we have a little reddy, and we have a little whitey. And obviously we have these as well. Where's the other one gone? Done a runner. Oh, there it is. So you have a choice. I quite like them ones and them ones. So they must go on the end. They must do. Anyway, I will find out once I've read the instructions. So first impressions, yeah, I like them. I like the feel of them. They've got a bit of weight to them, which is a good thing, yeah? We don't want them too light. And I forgot which one's left and which one's right. Is it numbered? Or is it lettered in any particular way? Can't see it. Right, I'm going to have a quick read of the instructions and find out what these are for, if anything. Well, obviously, they're for going on the ends of your earpiece, like this, to make sure you get a nice, good seal and less noise escaping. Or even the other way around, less noise getting in to your ears. Come in different sizes as well, big, medium and small, or small, medium and big. And voila, let's get on with the video. Right, I've been testing them. I thought I'll give them a little test first, see how I get on with them, after I've read the instructions of course. And yeah, they're very comfortable actually. Yeah, easy to put in, make sure the cable goes over your ear like that. And yeah, very snug. One thing you might be surprised about is you can hear the noise around you when you've got no music playing or audio playing or whatever. If you turn the audio off, you can hear virtually everything around you. Yeah, nice and clear. Now, before I tell you what I think about them and what I like and what I dislike, have a look at the specifications. I know I put them on at the beginning, but I'm sure you probably haven't read them, how good or the technology that's inside these. And also, where are they? Also, I've fitted 2 of these in. Yeah, it didn't fit them ones in that came loose, but I put the green ones in, as you can see. They are a tight fit, so be prepared to, you know, stretch them a little bit to get them in. But they do go in, as you can see. So, yeah, have a look at the specification. I'll get it up right now, and you might want to pause it just to read it, because there's quite a bit to read. It's up to you. You've got the option. Also, the other thing I didn't like was the fact I couldn't find the left and the right. It says there's a left and a right on it. I can't find those markings either on that or actually on the cable itself, like it says in the picture. So I thought, oh, that ain't no good, is it? But if you follow the actual picture themselves, it should work out that you will put this, making sure that that curve goes that direction for the left ear. If you turn it round the other way, I'm not sure, but you might actually damage the actual earbuds themselves because you're putting the electrics in round the wrong way. If that makes sense. Yeah? Goes in there quite easy. Like so. All I do is I just go like that and job done. Now there's no adjustment actually on here for volume control, not that I can find anyway. The instructions are very limited as well. And also this cable, or this part of the cable, can be tightened or stretched. I made sure it's on the maximum. One of the things I didn't like about the cable version is the length of cable. Although you can buy an extension from most places, just make sure it's a good quality audio extension cable so that you get a longer length. Yeah, I would have preferred it probably about another 200 mil, something like that, longer. Yeah, it would have been nice, but it is what it is. Now, I did look on their website and I looked on various other websites. These come in different formats. This is obviously the cable version. I was hoping they might be cabled and Bluetooth, but they're not. You have to buy the right ones to suit you. So you get cable one like this. You get a cable one, I believe, that has a built-in microphone. These don't have a microphone. These are just purely for audio. You get Bluetooth, and I'm not sure what version of Bluetooth. Hopefully it's a 6.0. And also you get USB, and I believe it is USB Type-C connection. And you can get ones with a different adapter on it as well. Link in the video description. Go on that link and you should find the one that you think will suit you best. Now, on to the audio quality. It does sound different, without a doubt. Totally different. Now, I didn't use any equalizer at the beginning. I left it to my computer to find the default sound, and it found it really easy. And I left it on the default just to listen to some music, you know, some old music, some modern music, and it's very interesting. Doesn't seem to be a lot of bass, but the clarity of the audio is very clear. In fact, it sounded like you was there without the maximum bass. You know, the bass that goes through your chest and things like that. And you go, Jesus, that's a good bit of bass. You won't get that out of these. But what you will get is very good audio. Very clear acoustic audio, which is brilliant for listening to proper music. Now, I did have a equalizer, and I did play about with my equalizer that's built into the computer software, and like I said, it's very good. I done all right. At one point I maximised the bass, and you can hear the bass, don't get me wrong, you can hear the bass on just normal settings, but it's not going to blow your socks off. if that makes sense. Quality wise is, well, in my opinion, very good. In fact, thinking about changing the green ones and putting the red ones on just to see what they look like. I know you can't see them once they go inside your ears, obviously, because once they're inside your ears, who's going to see them? Only something that's inside your ears. They don't feel as though they're going to break neither, which is another good thing. Like I said, that goes like that, that goes like that, and voila, perfect. Really easy. It never feels as though they're going to fall out. Now, I can't go jogging with them unless I've got a phone as jack plug connection, which this doesn't, unfortunately. This is USB Type-C connection. So next time I should get a pair with maybe USB or Bluetooth. That'd be ideal. Unplug that. And the other thing is, when I plugged the jack plug in, my computer recognised it straight away and said, "Oh, you got a little audio device going in there. You know, little speakers or something." Yeah, very good. Cable feels quite solid, although I wouldn't want to force it to see whether or not I could break it, because I think it probably would break. I did undo, or I did disconnect the actual cable, like so, and I made sure I fitted it in correctly, in the correct way. And the more you do it, the easier it gets. Yeah, so unplug it, plug it back in, job done. Like I said, make sure you don't turn it around that way. Okay, it does say that in the instructions. Make sure you put it back in the right way, in the right configuration, if you like. So with that, yeah, I like them. I like them a lot, actually. Like I said, I would have preferred a slightly longer cable, although I have got an extension cable up there somewhere that I could actually use to extend it. I would have liked to have tested the Bluetooth one, because you can actually test it on your phone, because most people nowadays got Bluetooth on their phones, their computers, their laptops, and it's easier to do a connection. And it would be nice to see what the difference is, if any, if I use these on the, say, for instance, my computer, and then I had the Bluetooth ones, and I've connected them to my computer to see whether or not they sound different. It'd be interesting to know with that. So with that, as always, links in the video description below in case you want to go and check them out. And like I said, there's different options to suit different people, whether you want cabled, microphone, Bluetooth or USB Type-C connection. So with that, if you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, please. We do appreciate it. Click on the bell for notification for when my videos go live and giving this video the thumbs up. Thanks very much for watching. Ching ching.